How to make roles in Discord. Making roles in Discord helps in organizing members, managing permissions, and maintaining a structured community environment. And that is what we're going to be doing for this particular tutorial. Now, I'm using Discord here using Google Chrome, but you can also do this one with the Windows app. Now, what I'm going to do is just go here at the top, and then we're going to click Server Settings. Now you should see here the option that says roles. Go ahead and click that one, and there you go. You have here the option to create role. Go ahead and click that one, and there are a lot of options that you can use here. You can basically name any kind of role. So in my case, say for example, I'm going to try to just write a basic one, the owner, and of course the member. All right, so the owner is going to be me. Okay, that's that. And then we're going to go back here and we're going to try another one. So this one here, we're just going to rename this one. I'm going to type an admin. All right, for the admin, the color I'm going to choose a yellow. For the owner, we can change this to, say for example, blue. Okay, now there's an admin. Now we're going to go back here, manage members, and then we're going to add who are the admins. So this one here, for example, I'm going to just go ahead and click add. Alright, we have managed to add them. We have now 2 roles. Now the last thing that we're going to do is just click this one here to save these changes. Alright, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to make roles in Discord. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.